What's up guys, here we are Scorpio X, and today in this video we are going to be talking about the cheapest microscope that you can buy. So let's get to it. So when we talk about microscopes, we think about microscopes like these ones, or these ones, which cost from $70 to more than $10,000. But the cheapest microscope that we are going to be talking about is this one. This paper microscope is known as the Foldscope. This microscope is completely made up of paper and has the magnification power of up to 2000x. These photoscopes were first introduced in 2014 by Manu Prakash and Jim Cybulski, two university fellows from Stanford University. They wanted people who didn't have enough money to buy microscopes like these ones to learn about the microscopic world. So in 2015, they made up to 50,000 of these microscopes and sent to over 130 countries around the world. Now the best thing about these microscopes is that you can use it with your mobile phone. You can take pictures or make videos of the microscopic organisms.
Just like how these videos were taken with the help of the Foldscope.
The microscope only costs for less than $1. But you can buy two types of kits with it. You can either buy this pouch kit that costs from $10 to $12, or you can buy this metal box kit that costs from $30 to $50.
So the pouch kit comes with a Foldscope, a cotton swab, paper microfill slides, standard paper slide, ring stickers, cover slip stickers, and a manual. While the metallic box kit comes with the Foldscope, a well plate with a paper dish, a small scissor, an LED magnifier, microscopic slide set, two Eppendorf tubes, a tweezer, two pipettes, cotton swabs, a clear tape roll, two types of strainers, standard and microwave slides, Ziploc sample bags, three types of ultrafilter paper, reusable slides and cover slips, circle dot and diffuser stickers, a notebook and a pencil, an extra coupler, an extra lens, ring stickers, cover slip stickers, and a manual.
The Foldscope is a great instrument for young learners who are interested in biology and microorganisms. I personally love biology, so I bought the Foldscope like years ago, and I couldn't resist not making a video about it. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more about the Foldscope or even buy it, you can check out their website at www.foldscope.com. I'll put the link in the description. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.